It's Mello. Section 7 made me crazy. You know what we did though? When it rains, it pours. Hello. Had enough. When I'm trying to be. Had enough, yeah. I thought I heard you when you disappear. I know you notice when you say you're not scared. How you scared of my love, how you scared of our love. All that you was for me. Thought about running back to you. That's something that I rarely see. Had been going on a rampage, fucking everything I see. Tell that nigga that you cheated with that. That nigga ain't with me. What? That nigga ain't with me. And you know he'll never be. You're gonna have to hear my name when you in the streets. You're gonna have to hear them stories about them bitches I hit all week. Shit, I never do the things to you that you did to me. I ain't built like that. I know that my heart ain't really broken, but it don't feel like that. If I say I love you, I still love you, cause I'm like written like that. I know the heartbreak feel like dying, yeah, kill like that. Lord, I haven't. Tonight I'm drinking 42 and hope that I get over you. So bring more bottles. If a girl in this VIP section's a model, I'll just go and set the trends and let everyone follow. Round of applause, girl, for what you did. Bravo, look what you do. You may have no common sense. Send you back to your mama crib. Now you really know what time it is. Heartbroken but confident. This girl gon' look like she don't ever stop hearing compliments. My shit, I'm popping it. You know how I do that, yeah. Dead to me. I ain't built like that, girl. You ain't her shit. You forgot that I'm really lit. I could have me a different bitch every day doing free shit, but that's not how I'm raised, baby. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Lord, I haven't. Horse. Strong. Lord, I have enough. When it rains, it pours. 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 When it rains, it pours.